There, all you fellow YouTubers, J-Speed, just checking in. Just wanted to let you know on this 05 GMC SIERRA 2500, if yours is misfiring or doing any strange things, knocking without edge kitting it or turning up the boost. We got the edge disconnected in here. By the way, if you ever use this electrical tape, you gotta have this special scissors to cut it. But I noticed the factory wire harness had some tape on it, so I opened it up after peeling this back, and look, the wire's a little bit messed up, and I just put electrical tape on it, fixed it right from the factory. So I'm just reconnecting all these one by one, and then we'll see how she runs. J-Speed, thanks for looking. This will fix your problem. If you wiggle your wiring harness and your diesel runs erratically, one way to do it. Menards or any local, home goods stores, they do sell these connectors. They're called Scotch locks. J-Speed, thanks for looking. Peace out.